Inomi. X. What drives key performance indicators, KPIs? Option A. SLA violations. Option B. Events. Option C. Health indicators. Option D. Metrics. The correct answer is option C. What can spec be used for? Option A. To correlate events as cause and symptom, based on matching their event filters. Option B. To correlate events as cause and symptom, based on their related C's relationship in the RTSM. Option C. To modify the C resolution of the matching event. Option D. To discard matching events, even if they have been released by another rule. The correct answer is option A. Which network port is used by default for the BSM connector user interface? A. 21212B, 30000C, 80D, 443. The correct answer is option B. When can user engagement be configured? Option A. Only when installing the database. Option B. Only when running the configuration wizard for the first time. Option C. During the software installation. Option D. At or after initial configuration. The correct answer is option B.